The First Lady was speaking this past Tuesday on the topic of government policies beneficial to children at an invitation-only fundraiser in a well-to-do lesbian couple's Washington, D.C. home when she was interrupted by a heckler. Standing at a raised lectern in what appears to be the home's backyard, FLOTUS acted swiftly after being interrupted by who turned out to be a lesbian activist for LGBT group GetEqual. She descended the stage and went directly to where the heckler was standing, confronting her and saying, quote, "One of the things I don't do well is this. Listen to me or you can take the mic, but I'm leaving. You all decide. You have one choice." Needless to say, the heckler was led away after the outburst. The heckler was 56-year-old activist Ellen Sturtz, who was asking that FLOTUS tell her husband to sign an anti-discrimination executive order to prohibit federal contractors from discriminating on the basis of sexual orientation or gender identity. According to Sturtz, in an interview after the event, she was, quote, taken aback by the First Lady's reaction, but said she would be glad to grab the microphone to argue her case. However, the First Lady had no interest in listening to the rude interloper, and it took the rest of the gathered crowd to cheer on FLOTUS to stay and finish her speech, which she did.
No, please don't leave.
Sturtz paid to attend this event, as did everyone else, in her case $500. Therefore, this was not a free public forum where any random person could attempt to voice their opinions. Regardless of the validity of Sturtz's claim, she was completely out of line to interrupt FLOTUS, and for her to say she would be gladly to literally take the mic and talk about her personal issue when all of those other people paid to be there, and the topic at hand is not, or was not, LGBT rights, but children, proves that this is a privileged woman accustomed to getting what she wants. By the way, feel free to replace the word privileged with white. Also, couldn't she have taken a minute or two with Michelle after the speech to bring up her issue? Why be obnoxious, ineffably rude, and ineffectual? In addition, how did she possibly think interrupting the First Lady to request that she talk to her husband about her issue would work? Michelle is not going to convince Obama to sign the alleged executive order. Obama is certainly not going to sign the order because of what happened. And most of the media coverage on the incident is about how Michelle dealt with a heckler, not the issue the heckler was bringing up. Well, that was a waste of $500, now wasn't it?